Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to try to do this as quick as I can, but I have a few silicone hands and I wanted to show you what they look like. So I have two silicone hands that are exactly the same that I got from Amazon, and I did do a video about them a while ago, and I actually gave one of these silicone hands away, and it's actually the same exact one that you're seeing right here. So the first silicone hand that I ever bought was a tattooing silicone hand, and I got a really great deal on it on Amazon. The thing is that you can't slide in the nail tips like you could the previous hand. So here it is, and it is a male hand, so it is a little bit bigger, but this is it. And as you can tell, it doesn't have that little slit to slide in the nail tips, as you can see. I think I can still use it. I'm going to try to maybe put sticky tabs or some putty, or I was thinking maybe I can cut little slits in the hand. I just didn't want to ruin it, so I got to figure out a way how to use it. I'm just not sure what to do with it yet, but I'm definitely going to figure it out. But for now, I think I'm just going to use my other silicone hand, because I really want to get to practicing with it. And for many years, I just practiced on my plastic hand that is not silicone, that I will show you very shortly as well. Most people have those hands. And here is the tattoo hand standing up. As I said, it is a male hand, so it does look a little bit bigger. This is an eye tattoo silicone hand, and I believe that they practice tattooing on these hands. So I thought, when I got it, I thought, oh, that'd be a great hand to practice, nails on. But then you can't slide any nail tips, into where the cuticle is. So I gotta figure that part out. But this is the clamp that I bought to hold the silicone hand, but truthfully I think I want to get another one because the clasp where it holds the hand is not very tight, so I think I want to get something a little bit different. I laid out these lights because I just wanted to see what it looked like, but I don't think that I'm going to use them. Maybe I will, I might not. I either want to get some LED lights or some fairy lights. I think I'm going to get both, just to add to my area and redecorate. So when I do that, I'll definitely show you guys what I'm doing. But for now, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'll figure it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to attach this to my table and attach a silicone hand. I don't know, guys, if I'm going to be able to use this tattoo hand, because this hand doesn't have like the cuticles where you can stick the nail in. See, like this one does. It doesn't have like that raised cuticle. Although, I don't know. I could try to make like a little slit. It's a really tiny one. Just very tiny. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to ruin it. Or I could probably put a sticky tab right on the cuticle or something and use it, like, I don't know. But for now, I think I'm going to be using this hand for now. I don't know. I thought I was going to be using this hand, but I was like, maybe this hand might be a little bit more difficult. Well, let's see. Let's try to figure this out. I don't know. I think for now we're just going to put him away, and I'll figure out something to do with him at some point. And this lighting, I need to figure out what to do with it. But for now, I think I'm going to use this silicone hand instead. Here she is. I think this is going to be one of the angles, or, you know, this is what it's going to look like. But the thing is, when I was just, touching it and seeing how it felt up there, the back part where it's clamped onto my desk, because it's front heavy, because it has the silicone hand on it, it's a little bit too heavy and it kept wanting to fall forward. So I'm going to have to maybe get another clamp and see if I can get something a little bit more sturdy. And also, like I said in the video earlier, the clamp that holds, or that it's, this clamp is not meant for the hand. It's literally meant for cell phones. But I saw really good reviews on it, and I actually saw someone saying that they used it for their silicone hands, so that's why I got it. But for this, well, maybe I just don't have it set it up, or set up right, not set it up. Maybe I don't have it set up right, so I just need to kind of play with it and see kind of what I can do. And if not, maybe I'll look into another holder or clamp, because the part where you put the hand to hold it is not very tight, and I'd like a tighter fit, so we'll see. This is most likely going to be maybe some of the angles, maybe not with the background that you see all the time, but it might switch up. But I think we can do this. This feels great to me, but the only thing is I need to take out this piece, because the clamp, is it a clamp? The clamp that came with the hand is garbage, right? It's garbage. Actually, you know what? I can try it on my new table. It might work on my new table. It just didn't want to suction to my old table. So what I've been trying to do is I'm trying to pull this. You see this? This part comes out. If I can take this part out, it'll sit in my clamp much better, and I won't have much, I won't have as much trouble with it coming out of the holder. So that is my plan or idea, or I'm gonna try and figure this out. These nails don't fit the hand exactly, like you can tell right there, but I feel like for what I have, these are the nails that fit the best, right? You can kind of play with it anyway. So, and now I can add an extension on top of that, right? So anyways, guys, I am going to start making videos with my hand. I do have a practice hand that I did put away, the plastic one. So let me show you what it looks like, just in case you don't know. So one of these, but I broke the thumb, and I still saved the thumb because I can, you can still use it to practice on. But I was doing some shaping and stuff. These are good. Like, I like the kind of, this hand, it's affordable, and it comes on a clamp, right? Whoops. So these are good to work with, but these, I actually had a giveaway, and I gave one of these away. I actually have another one, and this one, so I have two of these, and I found how much was it? I think it was less than $12 for this hand, and it came with a couple of other things and the kit, and I do have a video with me unboxing it and everything, so I will link it down below if you have not seen the unboxing of this hand. But they're easy to rinse, right, or clean. Why can't I get this little hair off? But yeah, I am going to start practicing with it a lot more, and I just wanted to show you that first hand, the tattoo hand, the male hand, how it doesn't have, the little cuticles where you can push the tip, under it. It doesn't have that, so, but it's okay. because we have two other hands that we can work with. You can really move her around. And if you move the fingers, this one stays. This is not the one where, you know, it just, you move it and it just flings back up. I don't know. What is it called? Posable, non-posable? You guys know what I'm talking about. So, but yeah, I like this one because you put the fingers down, they'll stay wherever you want them to stay. Like if you are working on this finger, you can get that one out of the way and work on it, you know, just like a real human hand. It's cute because it looks like real human, you know, flesh, skin. It even has like the, you know, how we have on our hand, the creases. It's really impressive how they make these. I know that they're made with molds and stuff, but it's still such a cool process. And how they come out is like really awesome. I wish I could make one of my hand. I'm sure that's, I can like buy, I don't know if the process of making these is really hectic, but I would love to make one of my hand. I just think it would be cool. But, yeah. That is that. So, these are on Amazon. I don't know where else you can get these, but mine was a panna. And I have had, oh my goodness, this is where I first started. So, guys, I've had this for a very long time. I have lots and lots of these tips. This is an extension, so the nail does not come like this. I extended this nail. Actually, all of these I think I extended. But yeah, I still use this from time to time. The nail pops off. If you didn't know, see? Then it clips back on, and then the top of the finger comes off as well. Completely, and then you can put it back. And I believe they sell the tops of the fingers this like fleshy skin like color. This part, this like silicone, it feels like silicone to me, the silicone part. I think they sell these parts, and I believe that they sell the extra nail tips, these guys, on Amazon, because I'm pretty sure I've seen them if you are looking for those. So yeah, again, I use this one from time to time, but I do want to start using this one. So most likely off camera, I'm going to try to see if I can get this like to come out, this part to come out, and hopefully I can get it out so I can use it better. And there goes an airplane. But yeah, I am going to be back, and hopefully I can get this out and then show you guys that I got it out, and hopefully it'll sit in my clamp a lot better. So we're going to hope for that. So after about 5 minutes, I took a pair of scissors, and this is what I did. I finally got the piece out, and here it is. This is the piece. Really tried my hardest not to destroy the hand, so all that's left is a small hole of where that piece was inserted, but it doesn't look bad at all. So you can see right here in the back, if you pay attention, you can see the clamp slipping, and I'm telling you that the silicone hand is just a little bit too heavy for this clamp. So I'm going to see what I can do. Maybe I just have to adjust it a little bit better, but we'll see. Also, where it is clamped on my table, there's a little bar that's under the table, a little metal bar, and so that might be, you know, not helpful either. So I'm gonna see what I can do, but it definitely sits a lot better in the clamp, as you can see. I'm thinking maybe I should get a half a hand. I'm not sure. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.